Hello. So this is our project, automated energy bill generator. In this we have used GSM module, Arduino board, LCD display, current sensor and load. The current sensor is used instead of the energy meter. When you turn the power on, you can see that you will be able to see that the LCD will display 0 current power and 0 average power, because it has no supply yet. So let's see. And this in this phone is connected to the GSM module. So after some time the SMS will be sent to this phone. You will get the details of the power consumed on the SMS, on the number which is used in the GSM module. You will get the message. We have set the time or to a minute, so you will get the message for after a minute. You can change it to the required time, and if you want the rate, you can multiply the time using the unit rate with the and you will get the cost of the consumption. So let's start. As you can see, the current power and average power is 0. So let's start the load. When the load starts, you can see the current power changing. The current power is taken every second, and you will get the average power after a minute of the consumption. If the bulb load is constantly on, then you can get the same reading. So to vary, I have turned it off. See, now you can see that the average power is 91.92, and I have just received the SMS of the same thing. So let's wait for some more time. You can see, you will be able to see that the average power will change as the load is off. Just to get some more variation, let's turn it on. See, so the average power has changed. And immediately I have received the message of the updated average power. So this is our project.